Alright, so this video got a Kwikset Titan lock here. This is a 6-pin Kwikset lock, and this will be a reshoot. So if you're one of the people that did catch the original version of this here, I took it down because I got into a story of where the lock came from. When I started the story, I kind of forgot how the story ended, and then when I get to the end of it, it's not a very good story. So just took that down. I'll just redo it. So this is my first ever redo here. Just say this lock came from work, and just leave it at that. And I have a key for it somewhere. I don't know. I looked where my keys and stuff usually are, and I couldn't find it. So I didn't look very hard. I know it's probably at the bottom of a box or something, but doesn't matter for this. You know, just gonna pick it and gut it. Yeah, it's kind of weird to pick a lot of locks with security pins in them, and you get one without security pins, and it's funny because there's not really much in the way of feedback like you get from spools and stuff. And I did feel a slight turn on the core, so not sure what's hung up on it. Probably just one. There it goes. Yeah, it's pin number 1. Alright, so we're open, and now we will try to gut it. And I also redid my camera stand here, so hopefully we can actually get it all on camera gutting it here. And we can check out my work of art pinning tray again. So this part here, my clip tool, and be careful not to let it lock back since I don't know what the key is. Just pop the clip off, and I guess I would need a follower. And as far as our bottom pins go, it's a 6-pin lock, and it's just a stock lock. It's all just stock Kwikset pins. You see the bitting is not fantastic on this. It's something along the lines of like 511315. Just looking at them, or something close to that. Not too crazy. This would probably rake open pretty easily. And then as far as driver pins go, oops, didn't mean to shoot that out like that. They're all just standard Kwikset drivers. Just dump them all kind of quick here. Probably bad enough that I'm wasting the internet with this video to begin with, so don't try to make it fast so I'm not wasting, I guess, too much of it. Okay, so there's all of our standard driver pins, and springs are all just once again standard Kwikset springs. So anyway, so there you have it. There's a Kwikset Titan 6-pin lock, single pin picked. And that will do it for this video, and we will talk to everybody later.